27 October, the Board of Governors of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, headed by Smriti Irani, decided that the teaching of German language as an option to Sanskrit will be discontinued. The decision to replace German by Sanskrit has raised huge controversy, but the HRD minister strongly supported this decision and had made German as the additional subject of hobby classes. Now, just 3 months are left for the annual school examination, and this decision is very difficult for the students. About 75,000 students from 500 Kendra Vidyalayas of class 6 to 8 will be affected by this decision. These children are asked to switch from German to Sanskrit with their final exams coming close upon them. The officials say that they will be provided with counseling. But is counseling enough to be get prepared for the exams? The Sanskrit Shiksha Sangh also moved to the Delhi High Court, alleging that the teaching of German language is against the education policy. Because of this raging controversy, the Supreme Court had to step in. It raised the matter of concern about children facing difficulties in learning a new subject at such a short notice. It even went to the Attorney General to let German continue as the third language for this academic year. The parents and the students are concerned about this decision of ministry. I think it is a good decision to make Sanskrit the third language as it is the mother of all language. But the ministry should also take into account that such a decision could not be taken mid-session as it put into complete disarray the overall academic preparation of the affected students. This decision should only be taken with proper consultation of the affected students, the teaching faculty, and the parents of the students.